I'm Sean, and I'm now going to explain to you how to use the video mode. So I'll select it here with this wheel, now in video mode there, and you've got the little video symbol there. These numbers here, that shows you the length of time that the video has been running on. And unlike the other photographic modes, this one does not have a half to press. It's either on or off, so you need to firmly press the trigger all the way down to get activated. The other thing you can do is put the light on, and you can see that going on and off with the subject, and that stays on continuous. I'm going to leave it on for this particular video section. So you just literally press the button down, little red light flashes there to let you know it's on, and when you want to turn it off, you can turn it off by pressing all the way down. So there's some other features you might want to be aware of in video mode. Quite often, if you want to take a nice video, you need to mount it on a tripod to get the best quality or less shake as you're taking a picture. And there's a little slot here for mounting LED lights to supplement the LED light that the phone already has. It might be necessary if you're trying to take, a group or a few people. Well, that's video mode.